So what had happened was, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is all about failure. This is my Bantu not out failure. Soak it in. Yep, soak it in. It is week 2 refresh because you know I'm doing the wash days every 2 weeks. So I decided to refresh my hair. First I steamed it, and then I applied my DIY aloe vera and fenugreek spray. And I also put I made some cocoa butter and shea butter mix and added some castor oil to it. So this was my DIY refresh week. And I drenched my hair with this spray, and I added my butters to it. And so yeah, I knew I wasn't gonna have a whole lot of definition or a whole lot of holes. So I was cool with that because I usually wear updos anyway. I just wanted to add some moisture. And so this is what happened. This is what had happened. This is a frizzy fro. So yeah, it's cool though. A little frizz ain't never hurt nobody. I'm okay with it, but yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this masterpiece, keep watching. Thanks. So I'm gonna do some detangling. I haven't thoroughly detangled my hair in a week, so I'm gonna do that and get all the shed hair out. Now that I got this section detangled, I'm going to seal my ends with my cocoa butter shea butter mix. Like I said, I'm not going to apply it throughout my strands because I moisturized my hair with it about 2 days ago and it doesn't need any more. My hair is low porosity and my strands are rather fine, so it can handle a lot of product. My ends feel a little dry, so I'm going to add some more spray to it because I do want them saturated. So this is the butter. Let me show you the consistency. So cocoa butter is kind of hard and shea butter is a little on the softer side, but cocoa butter is really hard when it solidifies. So I added castor oil to it to get it a more soft consistency. I'm just going to apply it to my ends. I want to seal my ends. And I'll just work the rest up. And I'll just start twisting. And this is only my second Bantu knot experience. So hopefully it turns out well. Okay, so that's my first Bantu. All right, so these are the final results. I have quite a few. I really didn't intend to have this many. I will see you in the morning. Bye.